What's going on, guys? Hey, today we're gonna smoke some pork butt. So we got some farm-raised pork last year, and actually had a buddy of mine raise a pig for me. So we're gonna eat some of that up. So let's go get the pork. I got me some meats. I actually grabbed a little chunk of venison too. Trying a new recipe. Show you how it goes here in just a minute. All right, we got our pork shoulder here. I just got some extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna rub a little bit of olive oil on this, and then we've got our rub that we've made up here, and we're just gonna coat this, heavily coat it, our pork shoulder with our rub, and we're gonna get on the smoker. Coat that real nice, both sides. Give that rub something to hang on to. There we go. Now we're gonna go get it on the smoker. I've got a chunk of venison round steak here. I've never done this before. We can give it a shot. I usually don't leave a whole chunk of venison in this form. I usually chop it all up and have it all prepackaged. But this year I decided I'm gonna have a couple chunks of round steak and keep them whole. And I was gonna try to smoke one. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I just put it on the same pan here so I didn't dirty up two pans for Candace because she'd probably kill me. I'm gonna do the same thing with the venison that I did with the pork shoulder. Just put a little bit of olive oil on that. I am using a different rub right now. I got this rub for Father's Day actually. It's just Jack Daniel's beef rub. I'm gonna give it a shot on this venison and see how it tastes. So I got two different rubs, two different cuts of meat, and everything's homegrown, and except for the Jack Daniel's rub. But we're gonna give this a shot. So we're just gonna apply it liberally all the way around. Gotta make sure that's good and coated. There we go. Looks awesome already. All right, we're gonna go get these guys on the grill. That does look good, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. So here we go. We got our grill, our offset smoker and grill set up, and we're just gonna get her loaded up. And I gotta do a little maintenance in here. I got some leftover wood, but what I normally do is I just I start this up with a little bit of charcoal, a little bit of wood, and then we'll put our smoking wood, chips, whatever we're gonna use here. I'm actually gonna use a combination. I'm gonna use hickory and apple wood. So I have apple trees out back, and I'll just go grab a dead branch off them, and I really like that flavor. So here we go. See, the reason I don't use just charcoal throughout the whole process is I don't like that charcoal flavor that you get if you just use all charcoal. I feel that it gives it an off flavor. So I like to use more wood and give it that nice deep smoke flavor. Gives it a good smoke ring too. So I'm gonna shut the old lid here and make sure our damper's open for right now until we get going. Let this guy die out and shut the lid. Just gonna throw a couple little sticks on here, get her rolling. All right, the old smoke is rolling out of her now. I think we're up to temp, and we're gonna throw some meat on this puppy. All right, we got some meats.
Smoky back here.
Yeah. All right, so we got our meats, and grab this guy here, just like that. And then I'm gonna put this venison down at the little bit colder end of things, I think. So there we go. We're gonna shut this lid up and let her go for a while. All right, guys, just a couple quick things here. I've got this is just the Western hickory smoking chips. So what I've got here is just a bowl. You can see here, just got a bowl with a little bit of water in it, and I'm gonna put some of our chips in the bowl with water, get them wet, and then we're gonna put them on our fire and just let that cold smoke. And then the other thing I've got out here is just a water bottle in case I need to control that flame a little bit. We can knock this down like that. See that? Let's get these wood chips soaking, and we're gonna put a few on our fire right now. Just gonna roll these around a little bit, get them nice and wet. Usually when I use the apple wood, I'll use a whole stick and not like chips, because the chips tend to flame up real quick on you. So we're gonna go out back here in just a minute, get a chunk of our apple wood, and get that on the smoker here as well. We want to be careful right now that we don't let this get out of hand with the heat. There we go. Just got a few chips on there. We're gonna close this up right away. Temp right now, we're just under 150. We're gonna close this down here. We're gonna close our damper up a little bit, and we're gonna let her go. I'll keep you guys posted throughout the process and how long this takes and how everything turns out. So you guys stick around, we'll be right back. Hey guys, it's been an hour. We're gonna check this grill quick. Oh, it's still warm. Throw a little bit more charcoal on. We're gonna get some more chips here. Yeah, like I said, it's been about an hour, so we're just keeping an eye on it. It's a Sunday, so, you know, what more do you have to do than to sit around and edit YouTube videos and smoke pork shoulders? Sounds pretty fun to me. What do you guys think? Whoopsies. Spilt my waters. All right, so we're gonna let this guy, we're gonna peek real quick. We'll peek. Oh yeah, looking good in the neighborhood. All right, we're gonna keep that guy shut. There we go, we got our apple wood. Let's check on this. Where are we at here temp wise? We're about 200. Ooh, looking pretty good. I'm gonna get this fire going a little bit here, guys. Hey guys, we're gonna check this pork shoulder here. It's been about 4 hours, I think it's been on the grill. I've came out and checked it every half hour or so and just stoked the fire. We're gonna take a temperature reading on this pork shoulder and see where we're at internally. We're about 145 right now. We're a little ways away, so about 150, 145, 150. So it's got a little ways to go. We're gonna pump up this heat a little bit on here. We're gonna get the old fire going. I did wrap my piece of venison. It's a lot thinner piece and it's getting really close. So I wrapped it. I did make up, I changed out my squirt bottle here. I wasn't really using it for the fire. So I actually have a 50-50 mix of apple cider vinegar and water in it right now, and we're just squirting this down and keeping everything moist. So I'm gonna pump the fire up, squirt this guy down, shut the lid, and let it roll. And we're just gonna add a small handful of hickory in as well. I'm gonna shut this guy up, shut it up, and let it keep going. That's all you can do. That's kind of the fun thing about smoking your own meats. You just kind of let it go, let it hit temp, get a nice bark on it. Yeah, it's gonna be some good eats, baby. Hey guys, back out at the grill here. It's been about 5.5 hours, so it's been a little bit. We got some real nice bark on that pork shoulder. Look at that. Oh, it's excellent. So I think we're gonna wrap this guy up right now, and this guy's already been wrapped, and this guy's getting ready to come off the grill. Actually, that was a lot smaller piece of meat, so we're gonna wrap this guy up, give him a couple more hours, put him on some good heat, and let him roll. So looking great though. Look at that. Oh, it's awesome. The juices are just running right out of that. I don't know if I can show you. It's just coming right out. It's just streaming right down there. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's like 160 right there. That's like 170 on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this guy up. I think we're good to go. We're gonna put this guy in some tin foil. Look at that. So juicy looking. Oh, so awesome. Do this guy one squirt quick. Yep, that's hot. Hey guys, it's about I don't know, 9:30 or so at night tonight, and we're just getting this finished up. I'm gonna take a meat thermometer and stick in our pork shoulder and see where we're at here real quick. We're at right about 205 on that. Alright guys, we're going to pull this pork shoulder off, and we're going to take it inside and let it rest just a little bit, and we're going to do some pulled pork.
Well, before we could even film, half the venison was gone.
I think it's pretty good actually. So see the smoke ring on there even?
Beautiful.
Excellent. Holy cow, look at that. These are meat. It's awesome.
It's so tender.
It's yeah. You guys don't even know. I wish you could taste this because this is awesome. And I can actually taste the apple wood in the smoke, and I can taste the apple cider vinegar on the rub too. It's excellent. So we got our pulled pork inside here. We're gonna unwrap it and see what she looks like. Look at that pork shoulder. Look at this. Check this out.
Yeah, pull that right out of there. Whoop.
bark on that. Smoke ring. See that smoke ring?
Oh,
right
that's beautiful.
Look at that. Look at that smoke ring on that. Mmm. That's the best pulled pork I've ever had right there. This is the best pork you can get right here. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my. Mmm. So good. Hey guys, thanks for watching, hanging out with us. I really appreciate it. Catch you on the next one, guys.